Hello and welcome to the channel, a platform where you learn new skills that will save time and boost your work productivity. If you find this video helpful, then please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to ensure you are notified whenever a new video is added. So, let's get started. ISNUMBER function is used to check if value is number, and it will return true when value is number. ISNUMBER being part of a group of functions called IS functions that return logical values true or false. In this situation, we will check if the selected cell value is number and return true, otherwise false. Let's understand the results provided by ISNUMBER function. ISNUMBER function consider blank cell and space as text, hence showing result as false. Date values are considered as number, hence function result is true. Here's the numeric value, however, the function has still returned as false. Reason for this is that the data type is selected as text for numeric value. If you modify the data type, function results will become true. Hopefully, now you have a better understanding of how you can use ISNUMBER function. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have not already, then please do subscribe to the channel to make sure that you don't miss any updates.